Hey guys, Rick Stone here. Welcome to my home. I'm here with Will. We're waiting for a ride to take us out to Comlara Park, which is where, you know, you've seen Lake Evergreen. Back now, got that and my turkey poles. I'm going to try out my Trekker 2.2 tent that I had gotten and the sleeping bag, pad, and pillow that came with it. And I'm all packed up. I got a Coleman stove and a pot. I've got food. I've got hygiene products. I've got everything I need. I'm going to bring, you know, this little camping chair here. I like it. It's pretty nice, but it's got a pocket. A pocket, pretty useful. But yeah, come along with us. We're going to have some fun camping. I'm with Will here. We're with my dad. Headed to Comlara Park to go camping and hike, and it's exciting to be able to go and just hang out all night and not have to cut it short, time things, and whatever else, but we're here. It's where we're going to be camping tonight. Primitive campground here at Comlara Park, Lake Evergreen. Yay. There's that weird gate you have to go over. We're going to go through here. You kind of got to hike to get to the campsites, but we're going to scope it out, see which ones are open and whatnot, then go pay for it. And then we're home free. Go that way. Or this way. We're going this way, so it's a shortcut to those nice sites for like, I think it's like number 14 or something. There's that one long trail we took before. Hello. How you doing there? I'm the paparazzi now. Just came up on one of the sites, number 11. Well, it's just kind of cool. I could probably, you know, so I can still use the trekking poles and hike with the tent up. I could probably tie the rope between a couple of the trees right by the lake. So that's number 11. I kind of like it. And look, there's like an extra area over here where you put the tent and hang out over there. That's cool. Yeah. I think I like number 11. let's see what number 10 and 9 is. I don't want to go the other way because I heard some people, and I want some quiet serenity, not no loud mode. So this is lot 10. So it's kind of cool. Yeah, there is shit. Well, that looks yummy. Ew. Easy peasy. Number 12, picnic table. 13's down here. Looks like it's more right on the water. That's a nice view. There is. Nice look, bro. Ooh. Are you able to walk up on the log? No, you can't go over. I really want side 11 now. Oh. Could put the tent over there. Or over here. I don't know, I feel like I'd put it over here. Maybe. Or over by the water. Yeah, like right here. And then you'd have the view out of the tent. Oh, that's nice. Look at all that wood. Yeah, I think we're good to go. It's at 11.